back. Happy Sunday. I hope you all are having a fantastic weekend. So, as you can see from the title down below, today we have a brand new subscription to our channel, and that is Pendant and Charm. So, the owner reached out to me and asked me if I would like to share the subscription, and I looked into it and I was like, sure, that seems really awesome. So, she sent me a package to share with you guys. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. I do want to remind you guys, we have our 4,000 subscriber giveaway going on, in addition to quite a few others. So if you have not seen yet, we have the 4,000, like I said, that link will be down below. We have the Jeffree Star giveaway going on, the Snack With Me box giveaway going on, the Rebecca Mail giveaway going on. So we have quite a few different giveaways. So make sure you check them all out. Now, Pendant and Charm. You will receive a beautiful pendant and charm every month for $24. It is free shipping, and they are all 0.925 sterling silver. With your very first box, you will receive a necklace that is valued at $25. And then on your third month, you will actually receive a bracelet that is valued at $50. Now, when you receive the bracelet on that third month, you won't receive a pendant or charm. You'll just receive the bracelet. But like I said, other than that third month, you do receive a pendant and a charm every month, a necklace with your first order. Again, the necklace is valued at $25 and the bracelet is valued at $50. And they do have a referral program, and you get 1 point for each person who you refer. So once you hit 3 points, so 3 referrals, you will receive a free pendant or charm of your choice. One thing that I do really like is when I looked into the website, I saw that they donate 8% of their profits to after-school meal programs for kids. So I absolutely love when a subscription gives back, and I think that is a wonderful cause. So that for me was a huge selling point on when I was looking at the subscription after she contacted me. So I definitely think that is fantastic. And like I said, it's $24 a month, free shipping. So I'll put the link below. Definitely check them out. We all love jewelry. So that is everything about Pendant and Charm. So let's go ahead and dive in and see exactly what you would get. I do believe she did send me a bracelet as well, just to kind of give you guys an idea. And the good thing is she also, when you get the bracelet, so if you get to that third month, you will tell her the size of your wrist. So that is awesome. So let's take a look. I love subscriptions that do free shipping. This one does that. I love subscriptions that give back. This one does that. I love subscriptions that are affordable. This one is that. And it's jewelry. I just think this is going to be great. I'm excited to see the items and see what they look like. Oh, hold on a second. There's a card. It says, "Thank you, Nikki." Christine, that she is the owner. Thank you for reviewing my subscription. This means so much to me. All right, so here it kind of goes over what I just told you guys. Members receive a beautiful pendant and charm each month for $24 plus free shipping. All pieces are 925 sterling silver. The first month, new members will receive a free necklace valued at $25 with their pendant and charm. On the third month, they receive their charm bracelet. It is a $50 value. No pendant or charm included in the shipment, and this will be the only month that you do not receive a pendant or charm. And then it goes over the referral program, and that 8% is donated to every month to after-school meal programs for kids. So basically everything that I found on the website is right here for me. So that is awesome. And thank you, Christine, for sending this to me to review. I greatly appreciate it. So let's get in here and see. All right, so everything is in a little bag here. It says Pendant and Charm. All right, so the first thing I pulled out is the bracelet. So it is your normal, my nails are getting, I've got to go get my nails done, y'all. I know they look horrendous and I apologize. So here we have the bracelet. And it's just like the regular clasp. Super cute. Okay. And then we have the necklace. So this is what you will get your first month in addition to a pendant and a charm. All right. I was just trying to get it out. So very pretty silver chain. Gorgeous. I love it. Simple. You know, you can, and then obviously you can put your pendant on there, which would make it even more beautiful. All right, so let's see. These are both super cute. Okay, so this is going to be the charm. And this is so beautiful. So it's like a whale tail. It's this beautiful, almost, I don't think you're going to be able to see it, but it's like swirly looking. And then you've got some like crystals. Absolutely gorgeous. You can see there, it'll slide onto the bracelet. Beautiful. I'm thinking that's the charm. Let's see. And then we have this, which is also like a whale, and it's so pretty. A whale or a dolphin? I think that might be a dolphin. I'm thinking this is the pendant. So beautiful. So it's like the blue, you see the fin here, and the tail here has the same kind of crystals. This I'm thinking is the pendant for the necklace, and then this is the charm. So I like that they, oh, I dropped it, shoot. I like that they match. That I really, really like. So I'm not sure if that's the case every month, but I think getting a pendant and a charm to go on the necklace and the bracelet that match and go together, you could wear them, and obviously that would be super, super cute. So I really like that. I think they're beautiful. I love the bracelet, and obviously the necklace is simple and gorgeous. So you put the pendant on there and it'll just pop. So let me know your thoughts down below. Like I said, I will put a link to the website down below, so check it out as well. And don't forget to enter some of the, or all of the giveaways we've got going on, because like I said, we have quite a few. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you have a wonderful Sunday, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.